Let's paint this beautiful sunset sky in watercolors. You can find the list of materials in the description box below. Hello and welcome to my channel Jasmine_art. Immerse yourself in a world of colors. Here I've taped down an A6 size sheet and outlined a mountain shape in the lower part of the paper. The skies are going to be done using the wet on wet technique, so I'm going to make the entire background surface wet with a clean damp brush. Let's start the painting using a mixture of indigo and peacock blue. I'm adding Payne's grey at the top to make the upper parts of the sky a bit more darker. Now I'm adding the next color, cobalt green, and gently blend it on the upper parts. Now right above the mountains, you can start with a mixture of yellow orange and permanent red. Continue with the next color, Indian yellow and primary yellow together. And the next color is going to be ochre rose. Use ochre rose to blend the part in the middle. Let's paint a few clouds with a mixture of yellow orange and permanent red. Allow the background to dry completely and then let's start painting the foreground mountains. I'm shifting to an angular brush. This is again from Herend brushes. Let's create a wash with both indigo and peacock blue, and let's paint the furthest mountain using this mixture. Mix a little bit of Payne's grey into the blue mixture and continue to paint the lower parts of the mountains. Allow the painting to dry completely and remove the masking tape from all the four corners. Do give this painting a try. For more watercolor paintings, you can check out my Instagram page, Jasmine_art. Thank you so much for joining. See you on the next video.